How to add text to videos in NanoBanana.ai. First of all, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the NanoBanana.ai website. Make sure you are logged into your account to access all available features. Once you are on the website, click on Start Editing. Here you will see options like Image Edit and Text to Image. Currently, NanoBanana.ai is primarily an image editing platform and doesn't support video uploads or direct video editing. This means you cannot directly add text to videos in NanoBanana.ai. However, you can add text to images that can be incorporated into your video projects outside of NanoBanana.ai. Simply select Image Edit, click on Add Image and upload your image. Then use the main prompt option to add text or describe how you want the image modified. Click Generate Now to create the edited image with your desired text. Once your image with text is ready, you can download it and use external video editing software to add it to your videos. While NanoBanana.ai doesn't currently allow direct video editing, you can still use it to create text-based visuals for your video project. Now you know how to add text to videos in NanoBanana.ai. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.